Who are you in this body? Who are you? Boundless. Boundless. You boundless. Where are you coming from? From Havana. How did you enter here boundless? How did you enter here boundless? Speak to me, you boundless. How did you enter? How did you enter? Fire. Bring me the water, the fire water. Why are you doing your hands like this? Why are you doing your hands like this? What's happening? Fire in the name of Jesus. I release fire over this. I release fire. Fire over you. 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 Come on. Come on. Begin to tell me, what have you done in a life? What have you done on 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 a life? What? Open the door. Fire, 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 fire. Fire in the name of Jesus. I begin to increase the dimension of fire. I increase the dimension of fire. I increase the dimension of fire. Begin to release, begin to release. I increase fire on your ears. Fire, fire. You have not yet feel it. Fire now, fire now. Begin to boil, begin to boil, begin to boil. Boil, 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 boil with fire. Boil with fire. Boil with fire. Fire, fire. Now, fire on your stomach. 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 I want to fight with you. I want you to fight with me. That's my desire. Because I saw you. You said you are powerful. You say you are powerful. Now I want to see your power. You said you would destroy her. You said she will not marry. Now talk, we are here, we want to hear. You used to disturb her, not to make it. Why? Why? Now my shadow will begin to create problems over you. In my count of 3. Raise your hand, shout fire 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Fire.
I set you free. I set you free. You're back on the floor. 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 It's a command. I don't ask you. I command you. It's a command. You're back on the floor now. Put your back on the floor. It's a command. Put your back on the floor. It's a command. It's a command I am giving you. Take your back and put it down. I don't need to touch you. Take your back. Put it down. Put your back yourself down. Before I begin to call angels, I will call angel. If I count 3, angels will come down. 1, 2, 3. Angel arrest her. Push her from the hair. 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 Push her on the hair. The hair. The hair. She must feel fire when you're pushing her. She must feel fire when you're pushing her. She must feel fire when you're pushing. Take your back and put it on the floor. Now, put your back on the floor. Put your back on the floor. Your back on the floor. Now. Your back on the floor. 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 Yes, your back on the floor. Take your back and put it on the floor. Take your back on the floor. Your back on the floor. Your back on the floor. Yes, your back on the floor. Your back on the floor. I'm not joking. Your back on the floor. Your back on the floor. Yes. Your back on the floor. Your